Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this cute photo. This is not my idea. I found this tutorial on the one cool YouTube channel. I'll leave the link for it down below for you. But before to go and make up all these pretties, stay with me and check my folio because I don't know, is it like me or something goes wrong, or is it paper? But appears a little bit different that in a tutorial. Mine is super bulky. So I don't know like what happened. I'll show you like all the stuff that goes wrong. And I changed a couple things during the process. So let's start. First of all, like I like this one. It's like super cute. It's small. It's not fancy. It's like for your regular autumn photos, like with your kids or with your dog or whatever, with your family. All of this is double matted. It's the first time I did it and I like it so bad. Even like die cuts are double matted as well. Oh, I also want to say that this paper is a digital paper. I did it for the first time, printed by myself. It's Eco Park. I believe it's Hello Autumn or something like this. I will leave the link down below for it as well if I will find the name of this collection. So let's get started. The size of it is 6.5 by 7.5 and 1 inch. Yeah, it's 1 inch from the both side. So the first thing that goes wrong is it should close like this. In tutorial it's looks like this, but I didn't like that this part is like it's the same size. So because of the bulk of this like photo mats, it doesn't look good. So in the process I decided to change it, and it closed to the other side with the like regular ribbon. It's from Dollar Tree or Dollarama, I believe. So it's open like this, and it's free space here for a photo. It fits 6 by 4 photos like this, and you can put a smaller one like that, or you can write down something. From this side it's I use a card. It's not opened, but you can put photo here smaller or just leave it like it is. And it's open like it's not a waterfall, like it's open one up and one down. This is a frames. It's not fitting my camera, sorry. And it's open from this side, so you can put photo like this. And of course you can put photo here and from the bottom. So it fits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 here in the middle. You can put a little, maybe bigger photo here. And you should close it by one by one. Nope, not like this. Like that. So it's also pretty bulky, but I try to fit like all photos here, and it seems like it works. But this side is like okay, it doesn't affect anything. But from this side it's open like this. We have a middle part, but we will talk about this part first. So this one is like, I don't know, it's not a waterfall, I don't know what's the name for this thing, but it's also open like this. And here is a pocket here, There is two cards here, one for a smaller photo. You can put it from the both side, and the one is like a little bit maybe square. You also can put a smaller photo, or you can cut your photo like to fit inside like this. And the thing is, it should, in tutorial, it should close like this. So you close all these pages and then you put it here and it holds all the construction. But it doesn't look good because of the bulk. It doesn't look good for me, and I decided to put it like under this photo mats. Maybe my paper is too thick, I don't know, but we have what we have. There is a card here and small die cuts with a pumpkin and family. And the middle part, of course, you can fit here as well 6x4 photos like that. And the middle part, the space maybe for a larger photo, for a couple photos again, like that, or like this, couple opportunities for photos. And it again opens like this, big space. You can put, it's open here, so you can put it like this or like that. And again, a smaller photo here will fit if you will try to put it like a little bit higher. So you can play with it. Here again, some die cuts, double modded. I like how it looks. Autumn, and we have two pockets, one of them with two small cards, and you can put photo here if you want to. And it's the first pocket, and the second pocket, I was out of the paper, so it's a little bit not messy, but it's the same paper here and here. But if you will put photo here, it will look great still. So, and of course you can put it from both sides, one of them matted and one is not. So 4 more opportunities for photo. And it opens again like this, and again 2 bigger space for photo. This one is opened as well, and you can put photo like here, feeling grateful, and the lid, and here is the place for photo. It fits perfectly. So like that. As I told you, it's really cool, it's really cute, and I like the paper. This paper is like super, I don't know, it's adorable. This, all this plaid and these leaves and the pumpkins, I like how it looks, the colors. But the only thing is the bulk. I don't know. Maybe it's me, maybe something wrong with me. So that's it. That's the folio, the mini autumn album. Thank you for being with me, and see you soon. Bye.